Welcome to Eagle Converting, your custom printed tape specialist. Today I'm going to answer the question, what tapes should I use for my job? More importantly, why are some tapes called specialty tapes? Think of tape as shoes. You wouldn't wear flip-flops to a wedding, would you? Just as different shoes are suited for different occasions, different tapes excel in different jobs. We have all types of tape here, like your packing tape, your water-activated tape, we have duct tape, and we have masking tape. Each one has its own specialty. Just like you wouldn't wear high heels to a marathon, you wouldn't use duct tape for a job that calls for packing tape. Let's consider duct tape as the hiking boots of tapes, rugged and sturdy. Great for heavy-duty jobs, but not so great for carton sealing. That's where packing tape comes in. It's sleek, strong, and perfect for sealing boxes, but it won't hold up as well in rough situations. Finally, you have masking tape, or as I like to call it, your everyday sneakers. It's very versatile and easy to use in a general task, but it won't provide enough strength as duct tape or sealing power of packing tape. So it's not about the best tape, but rather the right tape and the right tape for the job. That's why they're called specialty tapes. For more information on choosing the right tape for your job, head over to our website at eagleconverting.net.